how to analyze an Amazon arbitrage deal in 20 seconds. Let's do 3 ASINs and analyze them now in 20 seconds, show you how I do that process quickly and fast, and put a timer on the clock as well. Okay, so we are loaded up now into a product. And the one thing which I will just add is I've already put the buy price in and clicked analyze. The reason why I say that is because sometimes different computers take different times. And for me, while I'm recording this, because I'm using a lot of my computer to record the actual screen, it does slow it down a bit. So what I'm doing is the actual analysis process, going through that, doing that in 20 seconds. Let's jump on now and let's go through it. How's Matt Edwards sell green? IP radar green, profit okay, bit heavy, ROI 50% happy, 26 sales a month, I like that. Move down, no Amazon, sales rank I'm happy with, buy boxes price is good, and also as well, new sellers moving, I like that. If you look at stock levels, they are low, I like this product, I would get involved. Okay, let's load up this next product now, and can we repeat the same process in 20 seconds? Let's start the timer. Okay, how's Matt Edwards sell green, IP radar green, profit 127, not high, ROI is good, but profit is low, sales a month 21, jump down, no Amazon, there is sales on that, I can see it, and that buy box price is historically low now, but I'm seeing the new seller count going up, I don't like the look of that. Let's look at the competition, there's quite a lot on that buy box, I'd probably say no, I'm not interested at £1.27 profit. Okay, let's do the third and final one now, jumping through to do this in 20 seconds again. Let's jump onto it now. Okay, how's Matt Edwards sell? Great, IP radar, great. Profit 151, not great, it's a pack of 2. ROI is 37%. It's okay, 45 sales per month, let's check it out. The no Amazon sales, I agree with. Buy box price is good. New sellers is historical high. There's quite a few competition. One is really high. I'd probably pass on this just because it's not enough profit. Now, there you go. I've just done 3 reviews. And the one thing which I'd say is that I'm trying to narrate that as well. And that was quite challenging. But when I can do it just in my head, obviously I can do it so much faster. If you kind of look at what I'm doing, I'm actually looking at eligibility to sell. I'm trying to then look at my IP radar. I'm then looking at my profit and ROI. And I'm jumping down to the keeper chart. If I'm happy with this, the keeper chart is telling me or giving me confidence that the figures that I put in on the calculator are correct. Once I've done that, I'm then looking at the competitor analysis and I'm just saying, is this a product I want to compete against? And I'm kind of making that analysis between the historical average, i.e. the number of new sellers, what's going on with the keeper chart of that, and the competitor analysis right now. That allows me to understand if this is a product I really want to get involved with. Now, this is all unique to your own individual business. For example, if you're going to have a lower profit product and you've got lots of capital, Mr. Luke Dugan, for example, he gets involved in those all the time because he's got so much cash. But if you're a new seller just starting out, you probably want to get involved in products with much higher profit, maybe not too much competition, but the profit is going to be the main driver. Again, all of our businesses are unique, but hopefully you've seen from this video, it's about building that workflow of doing deal analysis that's going to speed up your processes and get you where you need to be.